We're back on the headlights. Been waiting for this for some time. Just grab the last one here. From the special case, we'll call it. So just a little bit of lube. Perfect. I bought these headlights used, you know, from 1935 for the Terraplane, of course. I got a few sets of them because, you know, I've got the Terraplane thing going on. A few coming up, right? So right on. But this is going on great. Somebody painted these, right? So they're gonna get sandblasted and cleaned up. But just wanted to do a little mock-up here, really see what we're looking at. I think that needs a lock washer. The other one had one, this one doesn't, so. I'll just run and grab one. This one here will work. But obviously I've been waiting a little while here to get to do this, so really wanted to just film it and show you guys. Come hang out, let's put the headlights on this thing, see how it looks. I'm quite, I would say, an advocate for, again, of putting the headlights below the top line of the fenders. And I'm not sure what this is really gonna do and look like, but we're gonna try it. But how about that? That's quite the stomper there. That gives you the big bomb effect of the tail of the headlight. And yeah, we need guts and stuff to go in there, but it's not a big deal. I did get real lucky with this car. It was heavily stripped, but they couldn't get the headlight mounts off of the fenders at the time. You know, they were rushing, I guess. And so they missed a couple of very crucial things on the car. And I was very fortunate to be able to get those. But right on. So let's check this out. What do we do? Not drop everything, right? Cool. So we got the grill on there, kind of mocked up. Move this light too. Let's check this out. So that one. Okay, that's a little scary. We'll do the other side first here. There we go. That fits nice. Oh, sweet. Wow. Right on. There we go. So just do it just a little bit. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Awesome. I'll kill the music here. Right on. Well, it's got headlights. How about that? Actually, to get the full effect, I've got the hood ornament here, right, with the bird. So we can put that on it too. So what I'm talking about with headlights here, what I like personally, when you've got it actually chopped and sitting right, is that you'll notice what guys do is they lower the headlight bucket. So this top line really comes close to this edge. And so with everything moving down, then it kind of just tucks it in and gets it, you know, a little bit more tighter looking, if you will, on her. But, you know, I haven't seen it like this, so I mean, we're checking it out together here. Wow, look at the bomb on the side. That is just, what a good one. A little bit longer than, you know, what 36 Ford car is like. A little bit longer, right? You know, it's got it. This is pretty good. I like it. Yeah, right on. Now I've actually got a couple of options that I did want to run through. What I'll do is try and find a picture of what the 1934 grill looked like, because on the 35 trucks, they did use the 34 grill, and there's a lot more style in this. This is more 35 Ford-ish looking, if you will, for just point of reference. It's obviously Terraplane, but it's a starburst kind of way with the grill, and you know, impossible to get, but we could make something. You know, it's pretty flat now though, right? Like the grill, so maybe it'll be usable. But what they did come with on the 35 pickup trucks is the 34 hood ornament. So again, it says Terraplane here. Little different scripting from what the other one says, which I've got one kicking around here. And, you know, oops. To be quite honest, I kind of like this shape, and I already want to do that shape on the back of the tailgate, right? So that goes right in here. So I think using this base would be the trick on it. You know, I can only get parts that I can get. Like this isn't easy to get, this part. It took a while, and I got lucky on the price. But now this piece here unbolts, right? What happened though is somebody has cut this. So I guess they had it just kind of sitting in an office or something like that at some point. And it's a shame, but they cut it and they destroyed it, right? So the idea here would be to harvest this top piece and then remove the bird that's here as well, and then swap the bird out for the dual wing situation here. Now, I really wanted to do that, but I'll tell you right now, from looking at this, once you've got the Terraplane here on the front, and then you've got it here in different scripts, I don't like that. I don't think it works. So I think that the way we do this is we do the bird like this. You can get a double wing bird like this too, which, yeah, that would be cool. But, you know, this is what I have. This is going to get sent out to the chrome place, obviously, and redone. So, well, that was pretty quick, but either way, this is cool. So when I do a 34, right, at least we've got the 34 hood ornament. Cool. How sweet is that? So the fitment is really coming together now. You can really see the vision that we're going for, which is, you know, we're going to have these headlights nice and like the bomb style that I want. And then the supercharger, of course, is going to be poking out right here. And once we have the supercharger polished up, this carb box all polished up, real shiny, this new chrome, door handles, that's it for chrome on the car. Maybe chrome reverse wheels or something, but I'm thinking wire wheels anyways, but that's beside the point. Let's look at the headlights. Try and do this as steady as I can. This is a pretty old camera, so it doesn't have the image stabilization, right? I think the only other contender for length of headlights here is really going to be, of course, the 36 Terraplane, and then I think 37 Chevrolet, 38. They're pretty good, pretty long, but they do mount to the grille. So 35, most cars out there were still mounted to the fenders instead of the grille shell. Terraplane switched in 37. Yeah, so, well, that went a lot easier than anticipated. But I'm pretty happy. I like it. Yes, sir. So just for a quick point of reference, I'm going to find a measuring tape somewhere in this place. Coming in at 11.5 inches long for the bomb effect, you know, with the, pretty happy. Gotta like it. Right on. So, starting to look like a front end now, right? Very good. Well, gonna get this back apart and just keep on keeping on here, getting into the floors next. So right on.